going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I'm about to show you an app where you can get paid basically just going about your daily life. You're just making regular routine purchases, doesn't matter. They're going to credit you based on your purchase history. You know what I'm saying? You'll get points for everything that you buy. So I'm going to show you quickly how it works. It's not difficult to sign up for. It's very easy to understand. So basically all of these things that I've bought in the past, I can just claim them. So all I do is click on claim and I receive the points. So you see here 2 points, 4 points, 2 points. I just kind of scroll down so you can see me just claim them, and the points instantly to go into my balance. You see now I have a little bit over 3,021, and all the points, I just click claim and just continues to go into my account, and I can eventually cash out. The way you set this up, here's a survey I'm gonna do real quick. They have little surveys on here. They're not long. I mean, you'll qualify for every single one of them. It's not a disqualification thing, so don't worry about that. But you know, you can just answer it accordingly, whatever it is, and you'll get points for that as well. And like I was saying, you just keep on claiming. And actually, if you claim them all, you can go down here and you see they have surveys you can take as well. They have like tap research and theorem research. Both of those do offer disqualification points if you want to do the survey portion of it, but you know, just another opportunity to make points. So you'll see my balance. I have 3,064 points. You can cash out at a minimum of $3. So I go to cash out $3.06. So now I'll just put in my PayPal email, and so it can send it to me. So let me just do that real quick. And then once I got that in, all I do is click cash out, which is the $3.06. It'll just confirm that's the right PayPal address. Then it'll ask me to verify, so they'll send you a code to your phone. Just want to make sure it's you. So when they send that code to me, I'll go ahead and type in this code, click verify, and just wait for the money to be sent to me. And right there it says you just redeemed $3.06 to your PayPal. So now I will go to my PayPal account and check it. Actually, I go to my email just to check it right there, but they do pay instantly. You don't have to wait at all. As soon as you cash out, you just, you know, go right to your email, your PayPal, and you'll see the money right there. So let me just back out of this real quick. And now let me go over to my email, and you'll see here right there, you have a payout, $3.06. So just that easy. I mean, all you got to do basically is hook up your bank account or your debit card up to it so they can tell what you're buying. It doesn't matter what you buy. They're going to give you credit based off your purchase history. Usually whatever you buy today, you'll get the points for it the next day. It'll show up on there. You just click claim. You have to claim it. It won't just automatically claim itself. So, you know, like I just go in, you know, once a day on the app and just claim everything that I did in the past. Bigger purchases do offer more points, so just keep that in mind. But like I said, just make sure you hook up your bank account or your debit card. I think it's your debit card. You can hook up to it. You know, if you're not comfortable with that, then, you know, don't do it. You know, that's perfectly fine. But, you know, they don't hack your account or anything like that. They don't take anything out. There's no funny business going on with it. You know, I've been using it for a little while, and I'm liking the way it's working. I'm getting points every day just based off, you know, me going about my day. Even when I pay bills, you know, with my debit card or my bank account, I'm getting points for that as well. So that's what's really cool about it. So just wanted to show you guys that. I will leave the link to it in the description. You can sign up and start getting points today. Remember, you can cash out at a minimum of $3. All you can do is claim those points, and then if you want to make, you know, even more points, you can take surveys. Like I said, they do offer disqualification points, so just keep that in mind as well. So click on the link in the description, download it on your phone, your Android or iPhone, doesn't matter, your iPad or whatever it is, and start getting money just for going about your daily routine. All right, so link in the description, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.